One, two, three, go.
Ay, kanang mga bay, nakoy pangutan na ba? Wrong answer sa niya. Answer, peace para ninyo.
Anong wala ang exam ba? Samo kayo.
Ah, kanang wala yung rotisi, oy, samok lang sa kinabuhi. Oh, James, sa Davis pa rin mo di eh.
Ha? Kasi ako, di mo kung istorya, cameraman mo ko. Ikaw.
Kidding aside, guys, we just wanted to know what peace actually looks like in our campus. So join us as we ask our fellow IITians of what they think about peace. Bye! What is one word you wish people use more often to keep the peace?
Hmm. The one word that I think uh would be would define that is breathe. Around us, the air isn't thin, and feel that if you breathe, no matter how hard you're feeling right now, the burdens, the hardships you're going through, remind yourself to breathe. Once you breathe, it calms you down, and when you're calm, you can keep going. You can do it. Breathe.
Is peace more of a feeling or an action? At surface level, peace is a feeling of judgment. It's a feeling of quietness, of comfort, of safety. So, ayun. Pero for me, it's also somewhat of a fallacy to think that peace is a feeling because feeling, no matter how you define it, is temporary. And if peace is always temporary, then is peace worth pursuing in the first place? So for me, my absolute answer would be peace is an action that is maintained consistently. Like for example, you may be feeling this now elsewhere in the world, that's not the case. So we take proper action, the appropriate action. Um,
One, two, three, go.
Okay, for me po, campus nga a campus that is quiet is not peaceful because for me it's a illusion kumbaga para sa akin because for others being silent is peaceful but for me it's not because if you want if you want to be peaceful, if you want peace, you have to fight for it. You have to speak what is right. You have to speak for yourself to achieve your peace because if you kung maghilom ra ka about sa peace, kung maghilom ra ka, di mo avoid kag conflict, dili man mawala ang conflict, but rather ma-irrelevant lang ang conflict kumbaga. Pero but the conflict is there, dili siya mawala. So in short and in summary for me is you have to speak up for your peace and for everyone's peace. Dili pwede nga mag-silent lang ka kay being silent is not a sign of maturity but is a sign of negligence and avoidance about the real problem. Thank you po.
on ano during busy weeks, it's really hard to find peace within yourself or within anything since it's really stressful just to with all the deadlines and all the studying that you have to do. It's really hard. Even if you want to have that peace within yourself, it's really difficult because of everything piling up. Even right now, it's really hard for me to uh, take in everything. We have a lot of deadlines and exams, and it's really difficult to find that motivation to study and that peace in myself. So yeah.
According to no? So, so the question that I will be answering is number two, and the question is, do you think it's possible to disagree with someone and still be at peace with them? Well, of course, pwede namang magkaroon ng peace sa different individual between subjects and disagreements. Siguro ano, need lang to ng counseling such as ayun nga counseling, 'di ba? Para magkaintindihan tayong parang yung different individuals such as may mga hindi alam ng isa na alam ng isa na hindi alam ng isa na lagi dito. Yun lang.
You know what, Aisha? While talking to everyone today, I realized something. I realized that there's just so many aspects to peace. Peace can be defined as the absence of conflict, while also peace can just be the tranquility of your surroundings. How about you? What's your reflection for our today's?
What I noticed is that peace isn't something big and unreachable goal. It can be built through our small daily actions, such as listening and simple respect.
So, knowing all this, let me ask you a question. Peace is can be defined as a multitude of things. But for you, what's a small peace action that you can do today?
Peace begins with us.
What's your small action that you can do today?